I'm standing in front of this magnificent 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 4,700 square foot home at 412 6th Avenue Southeast in Elbow Lake, Minnesota. As you approach this stunning home, you'll immediately notice the thoughtfulness put into the design of this one-of-a-kind property, including a stunning outdoor fountain, beautiful landscaping, gazebo, paver driveway, and so much more. Come along as we take a look inside this home. From the moment you step through the front entrance, you'll be captivated by the presence of this home and its grand entry area, just steps away from a private study adorned in solid wood with fireplace, open living room, and formal dining room. Move into the kitchen where you'll find an additional dining space, center island, and direct access to the private backyard and deck area, complete with built-in charcoal grill and water feature. You'll appreciate the main level laundry, half bathroom, sunroom area, and 3-stall garage featuring tile floors, great lighting, and a custom-built workspace with a great deal of storage. Move up the grand staircase off of the entryway to the second level, which houses a private master suite with a number of built-in features. You'll appreciate the vast amount of natural light and full bathroom with jacuzzi tub, separate shower, double vanity, and walk-in closet. Step out onto the Juliette balcony where you'll enjoy beautiful views of the well-manicured backyard and Flekkefjord Lake. The lower level features a large family room with fireplace, office area, second bedroom, full bathroom, additional storage space, fitness room, and probably one of the most unique features of this stately home, a private theater. Grab a bag of popcorn, your favorite candy, and a soda, and nestle in for an evening movie in this beautiful custom theater, complete with controllable lighting, automated curtains, and surround sound. Looking for a space to perform for family and friends? No problem. Your guests are in for a treat as you turn up the lights in the 600+ square foot space and take the main stage with your favorite instrument. If you're looking for a truly stunning, one-of-a-kind property built for entertaining with high-quality finishes, you'll want to take a look at this property at 412 6th Avenue Southeast in Elbow Lake, Minnesota. I'm Andrew with the Andrew Yagi Real Estate Team of eXp Realty. Call us today to set up your private showing.